What is it about Hollywood these days where it seems like every week there's another sequel coming out? And when your best tagline is bigger and badder than the original, and the original is The Expendables, you know you've got problems. I mean, when this movie was being pitched, the meeting probably went something like this. Stallone and Schwarzenegger and Statham again.
So, tell me about the script.
No, dude, Stallone and Statham and Schwarzenegger again.
But did you see the script?
We'll add Chuck Norris.
What about the script?
Fine, we'll add Jean-Claude Van Damme, too.
So there is no script. Fine, let's make it anyway.
So what do to make up for a lack of a script? They just add explosions. And I don't know how good a script would have been because you can't understand these guys talk. I mean, it's like, not to mention, the average age of these guys is 63. How they really should have hyped it was, it's the summer's craziest Jerry action movie. I'm Mike Mechanic, and that was my rant.